Let's see how to use teams and channels in Microsoft Teams. Think of teams as your workspaces for projects or departments. Inside each team, you'll find channels which help organize conversations and files by topic, task, or event. On the left sidebar, click Teams icon and you'll see all of the teams that you're part of. Click on a team to open it and view its channels. Channels are where everything happens: discussions, file sharing, updates, announcements, and by default, every team has a general channel. You can also create new channels by clicking More Options or the three dots next to your team name and selecting Add Channel. To start a conversation, just click New Conversation, type in your message, and hit Send. You can add useful tools to your channels by clicking the plus icon at the top. You can choose apps like OneNote, Planner, or Excel to keep your work in one place. And that's how to use Teams and channels in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!